Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the world of smoothie making with the best blenders on the market. From crushing ice to blending fruits seamlessly, we're here to guide you through the top contenders for the ultimate smoothie experience. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more fantastic content. Number 1. NutriBullet Personal Blender, NBR0601, a powerhouse in the world of kitchen appliances. With its 600-watt motor and versatile design, this blender is a game-changer for anyone looking to whip up delicious shakes, smoothies, or tackle food prep with ease. Its compact 24-ounce capacity makes it perfect for single servings or small families, while the robust blending power effortlessly tackles frozen ingredients. Whether you're a health enthusiast or simply seeking convenience in the kitchen, the NutriBullet NBR0601 delivers on performance and reliability, all wrapped up in a sleek gray design. Say goodbye to lumpy shakes and hello to smooth, consistent blends every time with this must-have kitchen companion. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender, your ultimate companion for crafting delicious shakes, smoothies, and more. With its powerful 700 watts motor and stainless steel ice saber blades, this blender effortlessly crushes ice, fruits, and veggies to perfection. The 40-ounce glass jar ensures durability and easy cleanup, while the 12 functions offer versatility to cater to all your blending needs. Whether you're whipping up a morning smoothie or preparing a refreshing drink for guests, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite delivers consistent results every time. Say goodbye to lumps and chunks, and hello to silky smooth beverages with this efficient and reliable blender. Number 3. Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender, the powerhouse you've been waiting for in your kitchen. With its robust 1,100-watt motor, this blender tackles frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more with ease. The versatility is unmatched, offering 3 functions in one sleek design. Its sizable 72 Oz asterisk pitcher ensures you can whip up large batches, while the two 16-ounces to-go cups and spout lids make it convenient for on-the-go sipping. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, sauce connoisseur, or frozen drink aficionado, the Ninja BL660 is your ultimate kitchen companion, delivering exceptional performance and convenience in every blend. Say hello to effortless blending and endless culinary possibilities with the Ninja BL660. Number 4. Bear Blender Upgrade 700W, your ultimate companion for whipping up delicious shakes and smoothies with ease. This countertop blender boasts a generous 40-ounce capacity, perfect for blending up your favorite ingredients without constant refills. With its powerful 700W motor and 3 speed settings, including a dedicated ice crushing mode, you can effortlessly blend through tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruits, and veggies for the perfect consistency every time. What truly sets this blender apart is its autonomous clean feature, making cleanup a breeze with just the push of a button. Say goodbye to the hassle of scrubbing and hello to more time enjoying your creations. Upgrade your blending game with the Bear Blender Upgrade 700W for a smoother, more convenient blending experience. Number 5. IQsina Blenders for Shakes and Smoothies. Crafted to elevate your blending experience, these 300W wonders are a kitchen essential. Boasting 228 ounces to-go portable cups with lids, they're perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. Whether you're whipping up morning smoothies or prepping baby food, this personal blender delivers convenience with every blend. Effortless to clean, it's a dream for busy households. Transform fruits and veggies into delicious juices or harness its power as a food processor for versatile culinary creations. With IQsina, blending excellence meets practicality, making it a must-have for any kitchen arsenal. Elevate your culinary adventures with the IQsina blender today. In conclusion, selecting the best blender for smoothies hinges on factors like power, versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're prioritizing affordability or advanced features, there's a blender out there to suit your needs. Remember to consider your specific blending requirements before making a purchase. Thanks for watching. For more insightful content on kitchen appliances and tips for delicious smoothie recipes, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share this video with fellow smoothie enthusiasts. Happy blending!